Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And in today's video I will share with you 10 awesome tools that you can use to spice up your design, to be your landing page design, website design, or even graphics design. And this will also help you speed up your design workflow. Okay guys, without further ado, let's get started with today's tutorial. Okay guys, so welcome back. Before we get started with today's tutorial, do well to like this video so that YouTube can show it to more people looking for similar solution. And if this is your first time visiting my channel, do well to hit the subscribe button below and also turn on the bell notification so that you will never miss any of my valuable tutorials that I publish every Thursday. Okay, so the first tool I'll be sharing with you today is called the Blob Maker. Now this is used to generate blobs. And one thing I love about this tool is that it is highly customizable. Now you can change the color. Can you see? You can as well reshape it the way you want. Can you see? So this is an awesome tool. This is an awesome tool that you can use in your designs. And trust me, this will spice up your landing pages, your website. Can you see, from landing pages to illustrations, blobs are everywhere, creating smooth, organic looking. So yeah, that's the first tool that I'll be sharing with you today. Second tool here is getwaves.io. I'm very sure you have seen some landing pages that has this wave-like elements on their pages, and you are wondering how is this done. Now the thing is this: if you are using Elementor page builder on WordPress, you would have access to these waves. Yeah, you have access to it. But the thing is this: if you are not using page builders that has this feature or element, then you want to try using this, and trust me, you would love it. So here is the thing: I cannot go in details of all of these tools. You will need to also go through it and try it out. Now here is the thing: there is this tool called Ikey.app. Now this Ikey.app, this is the third tool that I'm talking about. This Ikey.app has this Blob Maker and Wave. Can you see? The Blob Maker and the Wave app, they are both part of this Ikey. So it also has other tools in it. You get it now? So you want to check it out. The reason why I had to share these two first is for you to have an idea, or to, if you do not like a complex interface. You get it now? So that's why I had to share these two. Now the fourth tool here is called the Eyedropper tool, and this is used to pick colors. So you can use to pick colors from what's it called, from website, from landing page. Probably you're visiting a landing page and you saw a color that you loved and you would like to use in your own design as well. You can decide to just pick the color, and you have the Xcode which you can use in your own designs as well. Trust me, you would love this too. Okay, the next one here is colors.co. Now this colors.co is used to combine colors together. You get it now? It helps you generate color palettes that you can use for your design, virtually any type of design, because you want to make sure you are using the right color combination, and that is what this tool help you do. So you want to check it out. It can be for graphic design or even your website design. Can you see the brands that are using it? Disney, Apple, Microsoft, Dropbox, Netflix, and the likes. So you want to check it out. This is an awesome tool. Okay, the next one here is Lottifies. Lottifies. Now this Lottify is an awesome tool. There is this client of mine that I designed their website, and people that I share the website with were stunned with this animation, because what this does is it provides lots of animations that you can use on your website, and they were stunned how I was able to get that done. But the secret here is Lottifies. Can you see the set of brands using it? Microsoft, Netflix, Airbnb, TikTok, Amazon, Uber, Spotify, Google, BBC, Disney, Duolingo, TikTok, and the likes. So the thing is this: if you are using Elementor Page Builder, it has a direct integration with this Lottify. Can you see this Elementor? Not like you cannot use it on other page builder, but it has direct integration with Elementor Page Builder. Has an element for Lottifies, which you can use to integrate it directly. The thing is this: if you have not watched the tutorial that I did on how to use Elementor Page Builder, I would advise you go watch the tutorial in case you do not have any idea of how to use Elementor. I'll put the link in the description below, and as well visit the link you are currently seeing on your screen at adelikesamuel.com/Elementor. Okay, the next tool here is Flat Icon. Flat Icon. Now this flat icon, what it does is provides you with vector icons that you can use in your design. It can be exported in various various file formats. Can you see PNG, SVG, EPS, PSD? So you can use these icons on your website, on your landing pages, and trust me, you would love it. Okay, the next one, I have to just run you through all of these tools as fast as possible. I don't want this video to be long, so you can just go watch it again and again. Okay, now another tool here is the font. The font is a custom font tool. So if you want to make your designs to be unique and different, so you can decide to use custom fonts. And where can you get this? You can use the font to download this custom font. The next tool here is fontpair.co. So here is the thing: if you have an idea of the font you want to use, you might not know the way you can pair 2 or more fonts to give you an awesome result. So that is what this font pair help you do. Can you see? So it help you pair fonts together to tell you, okay, you can use this font and this other font together. Because when we talk about design, we are talking about colors, we are talking about typography, the font face, and all of that. Can you see it's saying you can combine domain and enter, and you have an awesome combination. Can you see? DM sans and DM sans, bold and regular. So it will give you an idea. Can you see? Abril, fat face, and source sans pro. So yeah, this is an awesome tool that you don't want to leave out of your toolbox. Okay, so the next tool here is TinyPNG. I think I once talked about this tool on my channel. I would advise you go watch the tutorial that I did on how you can reduce or speed up your WordPress website. So what this tool help you do is it help you compress and optimize your images, but still retain the quality of the image. So probably you want to use some images on your sales page, on your landing page, or your website, but they are kind of too big and bulky. You can decide to use this tool to reduce the size, optimize it, and still retain the quality. Trust me, you would love this particular tool. Now the next here is Removebg. Yeah, the thing is this, most of you might know about Removebg, but I know there are some people that will still be watching this video and still don't know about it, so I just had to add it to the list of tools. Because if you are doing any type of design, graphics, or landing page or website design, you would want to use something like this. So what this does is that it helps you automatically remove background from your images, and the serious part is that it is free to use. So all you need to do is click on upload image and you upload your image, while the system helps you to remove the background. Can you see? This is what happens. So yeah, so you want to check it out as well. Now the last tool I'll be talking about here is Canva. You have been following my channel for a while now, you know Canva is one of the tools that I create content around, and it's because I make use of Canva literally every day. Like every day I make use of Canva. Canva is an awesome tool for designers and even non-designers. You love it. You can do a lot of stuff with Canva. So in case you are new to Canva, you don't know how to use it, or you don't know what it is, I'll put the link to one of the videos. This is like a 5 hours on how to use Canva, what it is, everything you need to know about using Canva. I'll put the link in the description below. You can as well visit the link you're currently seeing on your screen at adekesamuel.com/Canva. Okay guys, so thanks for watching this video up to this moment, and if you really got value from the video, do well to like this video, comment on the video, share the video with your friends, and if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, do well to hit the subscribe button below and also turn on the bell notification, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.